Hi everyone, how's it going? HKUHD here, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and setup of the new iPad Pro 12.9-inch XDR, then I will quickly unbox the new white Magic Keyboard. So this iPad is different to the one I would normally go for. I would normally go for the 11-inch iPad Pro in space grey, as I did with my previous one back in 2018. This year there is a difference between the 12.9-inch and 11-inch iPad Pro, and that is that the larger one comes with the new Liquid Retina XDR display. This means it's brighter and we should see better contrast with the use of mini LED, which would be useful for users who use HDR content in their workflow. I got the base model iPad, which comes with the new M1 chip, 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. This is also the Wi-Fi only model, but you can get 5G. So this will cost you around £999 or $1,099. I would like it if Apple increased the base storage to at least 256GB. If you are interested in buying these iPads, then make sure you are aware that the 16GB of RAM comes in the 1TB and 2TB storage options only. Okay, so let's get to it. That wasn't very satisfying. That was a bit better. Here's a pro tip. Pull the sides of the lid outwards and then lift up. It makes it easier. So initial impressions. It is big. It's also a little bit heavier than my old 11-inch iPad Pro. We'll put this to the side for now. So in this we have the quick start guide, as well as some Apple stickers and just some extra information. We also get a USB-C charging cable. You can never have too many of these. And finally we got the 20-watt USB-C power adapter. It's still included in here. I know Apple have removed these from their phones. I think it would be good if Apple gave people a voucher so that they could claim a free one if they needed one instead of having to buy one separately. Okay, so let's turn this on from the power button. So quickly select your language, then your country or region. So I'm just going to set this up manually. So if you enter your Wi-Fi, I always forget mine. So we'll just continue with data and privacy. I'll set up Face ID later. I'll just quickly add a simple passcode. So just quickly skipping through and enter your Apple ID and password. If you haven't got one, then just sign up. So we'll just agree to that. So we'll just continue here. Continue here. I'll probably set up Apple Pay later. Not now. Not now. Continue here. Continue here. And I prefer dark mode. And that's pretty much it. You're all set and ready to go. Next we are unboxing the white Magic Keyboard. This is the first time I've actually got one. And this comes in two colours, black and white. It will set you back around £329 or $349. That is quite expensive. You can also get the Smart Folio keyboard, which I have for my old iPad, and found to be more than capable, but it lacks the trackpad and backlit keyboard. Also the keys are different. Okay, so let's get this open. Just going to quickly slide this lid off. And here we have it. It's heavier than I imagined it to be. So if we just unwrap this. Now if we open it up, it's quite sturdy when opening it. So a start guide and just some other bits and pieces. And that's it. There we have it. It felt a bit weird attaching this to the new Magic Keyboard. I'm used to the old Smart Folio keyboard. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and setup of this new iPad. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for a future review video on this new iPad. See you in the next one.